Hai, welcome back to my channel. Balik lagi sama Tiara If di Align with Tiara. Oke, seperti yang aku janjiin guys, kemarin aku mau ngomongin tentang meditation. Betapa pentingnya meditasi. Oke, let's start. Kenapa penting? Karena setiap hari kita tuh selalu ada monkey mind atau thoughts yang ada bergejolak-gejolak di kepala kamu yang kadang-kadang itu mungkin dari kamu atau dari sesuatu yang kamu baca, contohnya sosial media, news, lagi ngumpul sama teman-teman dan lain-lainnya. Thoughts ini kamu harus bisa proses supaya itu nggak selalu ngeganggu kamu yang nanti akhirnya jadi anxiety atau stress. Kalau kamu pernah dengar God is in your heart, is actually your heart can say something and your mind can say something. Contohnya sekarang ya, kamu bisa langsung practice nih, kamu praktekin. Your mind now is saying something else. Kayak, si Tiara lagi mau ngomong apa sih? Lalalala, ya kan? Tapi your heart also saying something. I think I'm excited to hear. I want to know what meditation is. I want to stay tuned so maybe I can level up. This is like saying something and this is saying something. So actually meditation is how to direct all the mind thoughts or all the monkey minds going down back to your heart. Because if you heard God is in your heart, God is in your heart when your heart is the compass of everything. Maksud aku kompas adalah peta. Jadi kalau misalnya dulu kamu pernah nonton Dora, ketahuan ya, anak umur berapa. Nah, Dora the Explorer selalu bawa kompas supaya dia tahu arah tujuannya dia itu mau belok kiri atau belok kanan. Nah, seringkali kalau kita keseharian dalam kehidupan kita itu, kita tuh bingung mau decide sesuatu, mau pergi makan sama temen aja kadang-kadang kita bingung kayak, should I go or should I not? Gitu. Terus kayak make a big decision with your life also sometimes like it goes with your, people say your gut feeling. So it's actually your gut feeling is your heart. So you have to use your heart to know what's the vibration or channeling with the gut. Nah, orang-orang tuh selalu bilang meditation itu bisa untuk ngebantu nge-release stress, terus reduce anxiety, terus bisa juga untuk channeling with spirituality healing and everything. Itu untuk level up lebih tinggi lagi. Makanya sometimes kalau misalnya kamu lagi meditation, some people will feel like tingling on the hands, kayak ada vibrations gitu. Or sometimes you have tears that coming out from your eyes because actually it hits your point. Maksudnya aku it hits your point adalah when some words or some vibration goes to your subconscious mind and then ada dari subconscious mind kamu yang emang perlu disembuhin atau kamu pernah trauma atau pernah carries a lot of negative emotions yang kamu nggak sadar itu masih ada di at the back end of your mind. Apa sih bedanya monkey mind sama your heart? So, yang aku bilang monkey mind say something, your heart say something. Kalau monkey mind itu bisa terbentuk dari all the belief system yang dari luar atau external. Paling penting itu monkey mind terbentuk waktu kamu di inner child, waktu kamu umur 7 tahun sampai 15 tahun. Nah, tanpa sadar kamu tuh absorb semua yang ada di sekitar rumah atau di sekitar kamu atau di sekolah. Misalnya kamu dibully atau your parents say something about you, maybe they say it's like you're not good enough, maybe they're saying something harsh to you or your sisters or your brothers yang sebenarnya you're still downloading all the system in the world when you were in a child and then it suddenly absorbs to your subconscious mind. Somehow the trauma itself ada di dalam diri kamu tanpa kamu sadarin sebenarnya itu ada and operate your day-to-day life. Nah, jadi this mind is actually more to ego mind. Kadang-kadang the needing to feel safe, the needing to feel seen, the needing of being superior. Mungkin kamu selama ini kayak need to be seen. Aku kok nggak dianggap orang sih, kayak aku tuh pengen dilihat orang loh. So you're trying to play with your ego mind supaya all the traumas or all the sadness, all the pain from your heart yang kamu coba umpetin itu, tapi kamu coba keluarin dari ego mind itu. When you meditate, you try to control all the ting from your ego mind goes down back to your heart. So your heart is always positive. Your heart is always motivation. Your heart is always love. It's unconditional love. Makanya kalau misalnya kayak ada bayi nih dari umur 0 bulan lahir di dunia, dia tuh masih belum ada belief system dari mana-mana. It's very pure. They're just like so bright. Kayak pas anak kecil baru umur 3 tahun kayak, oh aku udah menyanyi, oh aku udah menlari-lari, oh aku nggak tahu yang namanya rasa sakit itu gimana, mau sakit hati ataupun jatuh. They're just like being their self. They can just like go all out. Mau nyanyi, mau suaranya false, mereka bisa lebih jadi dirinya sendiri karena mereka belum tahu yang namanya judgment. So it was so pure when you're a baby. It was so pure, and then until you're maybe like going to 6 and 7 years old, then it's all this the belief system starting to compile in your system. Aku punya hack. Jadi biasanya kalau misalnya aku lagi bingung cara visualisasi, karena kan ada orang yang bisa visualize better, ada juga yang bingung kalau ngebayangin sesuatu. Karena kan kadang-kadang di meditasi, you're being guided to see something or to visualize something for you to cleanse your energy. Coba kamu bayangin, sekarang ada lemon di depan mata kamu. Okay, what's the color? Lemon is yellow or kind of orangey. And you try to cut it, and then you squeeze it in your mouth. Try to squeeze all the lemon in your mouth. What do you feel? Pasti you feel like some like kind of like, oh my god, it's sour. Padahal lemonnya nggak ada gitu. It's just your imagination. So your imagination is very, 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 very powerful because that's how you're gonna attract things too. Okay, so that's one of the things that actually everything when you visualize or imagine with your heart, it goes to your subconscious mind and your conscious mind. So before you're doing that meditation, I want to guide you before so you know what you're doing, nggak cuma merem doang gitu. Jadi before you set up all the things, ya kan, sit at a comfortable position, and then make sure your spine is tegak, nggak usah kaku juga, tapi jangan bengkok because the energy has to flow. When the energy has to flow, everything needs to be relaxed. When you relax, you try to open and receive with like open hands like that, and then just relax gitu. Ada yang begini, ada yang begini, ada yang begini. Ntar kita bahas berikutnya. Cuman all general meditation better for you to open your all hands because this is the hands of receiving and accepting. Accepting apa sih Kak? Accepting all the blessing, all the good energy, all the positivities. So you can just like sit back. Kalau misalnya kayak gini, kalau kamu bisa lihat aku, oke, disila aja kakinya, terus udah gitu ditaruh tangannya, and then breathing is one of the most important thing because breathing it guides you to be at the present moment. Present moment tuh di zaman sekarang, bukan di zaman sekarang ya, di waktu yang sekarang. Karena kadang-kadang our mind is going back past or going further. Kita mikirin sesuatu yang belum terjadi, benar, sering banget, itu anxiety or worry. Atau kita mikirin sesuatu yang sudah terjadi yang harusnya kita move on dan udah kita lewatin, itu namanya depression atau depresi. So when you think about past, it's becoming depression. When you think about future that's not happening, itu namanya anxiety. Ada aja sih namanya kalau zaman sekarang, but it's just actually monkey minds. So when you open to receive and then you relax your body, terus duduk bersila, tangannya dibuka, and then you breathe. You take a deep breath. Untuk ada di waktu yang sekarang. And then try to hold, tahan 3, 3, 3. Misalnya ambil 3, tahan 3, and then keluarin 3. Bisa lewat mulut, bisa lewat hidung, whatever you're comfortable with. When you already take a deep breath, kamu udah biasa di 3, 3, 3, mungkin kayak 3 sampai 4 kali sampai kamu benar-benar relax. And then you can just try 4, 4, 4. Level up lagi. And then 5, 5, 5. Sebenarnya tujuannya nggak ada yang specific rules buat di sini, tapi tujuannya untuk kamu supaya ada in the zone or in the moment and try to relax more and let go all of the things that's not needed right now. Instagram bisa nunggu, TikTok bisa nunggu, Netflix bisa nunggu, kerjaan dan WhatsApp bisa nunggu. It's up to you. They can wait. I mean, you can give your social media maybe it's like 6 hours or 7 hours a day, but just give yourself time, just maybe like 10 minutes, not more, but they need it. So it's up to you, you want to be here or not. Karena kamu juga harus bisa disiplin sama your own mind or your monkey mind. Emang nggak gampang, cuman it needs to be trained. Yang kayak aku bilang, kayak nge-gym, pertama-tama berat, pertama-tama susah, lama-lama yang 5 kilo jadi gampang, lama-lama yang 10 kilo jadi biasa. Karena the more you practice, the more you get into the zone. Oke? Okay? Kalau buat aku, hacks yang paling cepat buat aku untuk shut up my monkey mind is actually aku ngebayangin dari leher ke atas tuh ketabrak kereta. Jadi dari leher nih, dari leher ke atas ketabrak kereta. This. All you have is only your heart. Oke, kita coba ya. Breathe, relax, bayangin dari leher ke atas kayak ketabrak kereta, nggak ada, there's nothing there anymore. And then just like switch down to your heart. It says something, it says a lot of things. Try to connect. Try to connect. Kalau tiba-tiba kamu jumping jack lagi ke your monkey mind, coba bayangin lagi ketabrak kereta lagi, and then you just like go down again. Breathe again. Setiap ada monkey mind, bayangin ketabrak kereta dari leher ke atas. Breathe. Tarik lagi ke bawah. Feel. Listen. Coba dengerin dia ngomong apa. It can be something like, you're beautiful today. It can be, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been? It can be, all is well, Tiara. Try to breathe. Relax and surrender. Surrender. Be in your moment. Alright, when you connect, slowly go back to your body and open your eyes. Just that 1 minute, not even, I'm sure you feel better. I feel more grounded, I'm sure you do. And if you want to try the 10 minutes guided meditation that I tried, langsung klik ke channel berikutnya karena aku udah langsung selipin guided meditation about self-love and connecting back to your heart, because your heart want to say something and it's very powerful. They deserve to be listened by you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you align more with this journey. After this, I'm gonna talk about chakra or energy center that goes also with meditation. If you want to meditate more powerful and deeper, we have to know what chakra is and how to heal it, how to make the chakra balance. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Align with Tiara, and subscribe this YouTube channel and like the video if you guys relate with what I'm sharing. If you have any question, just comment below. I will reply as soon as possible and make sure we all align together. Love and lights!